I wonder if you're...
My viewers, subscribers, Masicka just confirm again say Vybz Kartel is not the only alien brain in dancehall. My people, the man even want some boy, you see. But enough of the talking, me go jump straight into the video now.
Different type of killer with no pretense, strike a different type of pussy pa my cocky down, my bitch them hyper. Different.
If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever JV Radio upload a video or content. Masicka just proved to them say yo, none of them alone can do it. In fact, we are some different type of killer. We are some different type of artists. My viewers, subscribers, me nah go lie. Before me even go any further, me wanna know how much on grade this song here out of 10, this music video out of 10. Where the genocide fan them there? Where the man them there? Where know good music? Where the man them there? Where love music?
Show me them, bring the fighter, swing the left and swing them right. Different type of
yo, me nah go lie. The man have some gal in the video there. Gal them skin clean like bleach factory. Viewers, subscribers, me nah go lie. Me feel like a Masicka alone as an artist capable if he can deliver in all of the verse them my viewers, subscribers. The man no nah man, my people. You see it? I'm merely stay a song and me say yo. You know what, if I tell you the truth, Masicka just show we a different side of music. Everything about your song and your music video does different, my viewers, subscribers. What me say? Everything about your song and your music video, it just different, my people. And I want thing with me, I'm telling you, say, you see me nah come bias. You see me, you see when a song bad, me I come talk. Me nah just come talk because me rate the song. Me I go talk because the song have substance and quality.
my granny tell me different strokes, different folks. Walk down some and bust them head and run down some and stick them throat. I tell no me split them smoke. See
My people, don't be surprised if this song here start trending by a morning or within a few hours of me uploading this video as the time of me recording this video, my people. This song is already trending. The moment it premiere, a couple hours, and not even a couple of hours, you see it? A couple minutes, the song start trending, which is actually a good look because me nah go lie, my people. Me know no me alone like a song. Me know no me alone say the different type of music right here, so. Oh, me know no bad no stay sing one time of viewers, subscribers. Me nah go lie. Because when I time me I say, yeah youth yeah. Oh, what kind of style it come with in there, song? The man have 3 different flow, have 3 different verse, and every artist can do this. There's a few artists alone have them capabilities of my people. And this is one of the reasons why I rate Masicka. Me nah go lie, because you see the youth naturally talented. It's not that the youth do the music because he wants some fast money, or because a man say, you know, say if you sing cause the arts are in the place right now. No, the man I do it for fun. The man do it because him love it, my people. And you see once you have them natural feeling there and the way you think about music, you shall always shake the place. You shall always have each song, my people. I mean, not lie. You sing ya different type of vibes you give. A different type of everything about a song.
Serious, me skip them joke, bricks them up, my chips afloat. Rich like how we ship a coke. Liar when I miss a quote, like tire, my dick a choke.
I don't know if me alone see it, but me don't mind one of the genocide fan them are smart well know about music. Come tell me what Masicka say with the dead bird and the starting of the music video. Because this look like a warning to my viewers, subscribers. Many for me alone feel so. But Masicka warn them, my people. Masicka make them know see your ear. Youth, watch we. Youth, we are coming with something different and we are shake the place. Youth.
Destroy up on my hip sport, posted them a flipper sport. Bigger note, legends live forever, them can't kill a goat.
One man can't flash much flow, lyrics, style and creativeness, my viewers, subscribers. Any artist where you see have so much of them things yeah. If you have a place in a dancehall, my people, I mean not gonna lie, I hope a people underestimate Masicka. I don't know for what reason, but you see a youth yeah, you see any day and shake the place now stop shake. This now come like 8 earthquake. This I just shake. Yeah, I never gotta come, my people. No joke. The man just a clown out rhythm. Me even want to cuss no bad word. The man does a play upon the rhythm. The man does, me even go say ride. Why? The man just a clown out the rhythm, some of viewers, subscribers. And one thing me can tell you, you see me, Masicka may not be one of the favorite, well, me can't even say that. Masicka may be one of the most humblest youth in a dance hall, but in music I make be nice, my people. Me nah lie. In music I left a whole heap of impact. And me I listen to this song and me I say, yo, Bumbuck. Me name was no bad still no my people, you see it. But me nah go lie, me I feel listen to this song 3 different time. Cause when me I realize I 3 different verse with 3 different flow, me I feel say a youth yeah. In a normal. You see me? I'm just imagine what 438 I go sound like. But just imagine where am I going with 438. This just raise my expectation more. And this just make me say you see a youth, yeah? In a normal again. And a time and time improve to it. But they come like this youth here. I have something different up in sleeve.
Bring a rope, pull my dogs them out and give my niggas hope. Some different type of life with all my kids, cause man a real survivor. Stripes and me.
Masicka cook up something in the kitchen where I wait for people. I get shocked when this job. All for people I go say yo, boom, but my name cause the bottle still. But I wait for people I say yo, Jano, I don't Masicka that. My people, I'm at half before me even go any further. Hey Masicka, nobody believes him in the nation boss in the video, you know. Yeah man, he can't hide man. We see him kinda, you see me, he can't hide, but me not gonna tell you why. That's one different thing, my people. Me not gonna lie, my people. When me hear a singer, me just want the dog drop the album so the said time, my people. Me just want the dog drop the album so me can say yo, Bumbo Cleat, that's my name because the brother again still know my people. But more the man drop the album, me not gonna lie. Yes singer, have me a a different way. Yes, singer have me a made a different way. When the man still a tire me dick at blood cleat the youth.
I mean a tiger, lion on the streets me wiser. I and then I lead me side. Try and them sleep beside ya. See them the easy driver.
Me not gonna lie my viewers, subscribers. But I'm great singer 10 out of 10. But I get a 10 out of 10 my people. Just for the creativeness. Just for the three different flow them. Like 3 different verse them. Just for show you how the man a clone out the rhythm. Just for show you how the man make it look easy my people. Again me telling you. I know every artist can do this. You see me? I hope a time we hear artists a fight for stay up on a rhythm. Them a fight. But Masicka do it easy. You come like the man sleep, eat, drink. Pan the rhythm. My viewers, subscribers, I want to think about this music, even the music video. This song here overall, you see it? It tough or a miss? I want to hear full opinion. I don't only want to see the genocide from them. I want to see people who know true quality music. I want to see people who love music. You see me? I don't want to see nobody who love man. I want to hear, you see me, the honest opinion them in the comment section below.
Jump on, hey, some different type of killer, me no pretend striker. Different type of pussy, pa my cocky down, my bitch them hyper. Different type of money.
When you feel Masicka go hard by your song, yeah, my people, me personally believe them kill it. You see it as expected. You see it. Me not go lie. Me not go run no. And me not want to eat them. I want to support a specific artist still. But when song bad, my people. Me not go run here and talk. When song bad. And again, me telling this me just want hear my album. Masicka say album match up next week. You see me? Me go try find some way to get the album in the online next 2 days. Cause me not go wait my people. Yeah, Sanya does boots me adrenaline. Why? Me not like how that sound still. Boost me adrenaline still. You see, boy Sanya just set me expectation high. My people for just know say you know some Masicka shake the place with the album, yeah. I'm matter of fact my people, he might go shake the place. You see, me just feel so. You Sanya alone, I say a lot my people. You Sanya alone, I show you say Masicka can dig deeper in him talent. Masicka can dig deeper in a way him can provide. In delivering your song, my people, I want them to realize say yo Masicka delivery in your song different from all of the other songs that we job. I'm gonna talk about gun song, my people. The man is a change it up so you don't like when you go shop and shop when they give you a whole heap of silver and a change na silver. I see what's a change up to my people. Me not gonna lie. Make me impress. Very impressive, Masicka. You do it. My viewer, subscriber. But a time for me hear phone and his opinion in the comment section below. What do you think about this song here? Different type. You feel show me a different side in your song here? My viewer, subscribers. Comment no man. Until next time, JV Radio. I'm out.
Feel no man for shoot, then me no show me steal. Me grow for real. Inna the ghetto where your sword no heal. Me score the meal.